hello guys, welcome back to a Subhash English channel. Today topic how to achieve success. So my days, if you want to achieve success, you need to listen carefully my speak. If you listen carefully my speak, so you can achieve success. If you want to learn something new, so please listen to carefully my speak. Basically, if you want to achieve success, you need to learn something new daily. If you make a daily plan, then a whole day complete your task. One will you these things and utilize the whole day, then one day you can improve yourself. My days, if you want to achieve success, so first of all, you need to understand what do I want. Yeah, what can I achieve in this time? What is my interest? What is my goal? What is my desire? If you know this thing, so first of all, you can output your answer. Inner points, you can output your vision desire. One will know yourself, then one day you can achieve success. My guys, every person get achieve success. The only one thing they know very well, who am I? What you know very well yourself. What do I want? If you know these things, what do I want, then you can achieve success. But you need to just about know yourself. What do I want to achieve success? What do I want to get in something new? There are many people have to big sense goal, but you must. I want to share my views, my dears. You must have to one purpose. You must have to one task. You must have to one objective. If you have one goal, then you achieve your target. But if you have many purpose, if you have many goals, if you have many objectives, so you can forget many things, my dears. You have to give the only 100% of one task. If you work on a one task, then one day you can completely your one task. So I want to share my views, my dears. If you want to achieve success, so you need to just work hard the only one task. So if you, as a my experience, if you want to learn English language, so you need to the only focus. I want to learn English language. I would like to learn English language whole day. I would like to learn English between 2 months. So if you have these things, then you can complete your task. But if you don't have it, so you cannot complete your task. My guys, you can achieve easily, but you need to understand yourself. Oh, what are you doing this time? If you do and according to your niche, if you do according to your habit, if you do according to your potentials, so one day you can achieve success. So thanks for watching my video, guys.